Hello everyone, myself Mrs. C.S. Nirali. From Food Chemistry and Nutrition Department, Kikewa College of Food Technology, Saraswati Nagar Campus, Nashik, under post titled Biochemistry course number FCN 112. Today we will see regarding vitamins, vital elements, vital amines. Okay. Today we will going to cover vitamins definition, classification, types of vitamins, sources and their characteristics, functions, mechanism of action. Coming to vitamin, early 20th century from Latin vita life plus English amine because vitamins were originally thought to contain an amino acid. Vitamins are the nutrients our bodies need in order to maintain functions such as immunity and metabolism. Any of a group of organic compounds which are essential for normal growth and nutrition are required in small quantities in the diet because they cannot be synthesized by the body. We need to take them through diet only. Classification of vitamins, it is of two types based on their solubility. First one water soluble, second one fat soluble. Water soluble includes B complex as well as vitamin C. B complex consists of vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B7 are known as vitamin H, B9, B12. They cannot be stored and it is readily extracted from the body. Coming to the second class, fat soluble, they are of four types. So vitamin A, D, E, K can be stored in fat cells when excess is present and easily absorbed through the intestinal tract. Coming to in details of fat soluble vitamins, it includes A, D, E, K. Not lost easily in cooking, lost when mineral oil is ingested, excess amounts are stored in the liver, deficiency are slow to appear, easily absorbed through the intestinal tract because they can be stored in our body. That's the reason there will be not much effect. Vitamin A, any of several fat soluble vitamins as retinol found especially in animal products as egg yolk, milk or fish liver oils are a mixture of them whose lack in the animal body causes epithelial tissues to become keratinous as in the eye with the resulting visual defects. A group of unsaturated nutritional organic compounds, that is retinol or retinoic acid or retinal. Sources of vitamin A, it can be available from both animal sources as well as plant sources. Animal sources include milk, meat, fish, liver. Plant sources include green leafy vegetables, yellow fruits, red palm oil. Coming to characteristics, formation of blood cells and gene transcription. It is mainly necessary for body tissue repair to maintain the skin and mucous membranes in good health, build and take care of bones, hair, nails, teeth. Body stores fat soluble vitamins in the liver and appears in the retina of the eye in some components called retinoids. Eyes need it for a correct vision, acts as antioxidant even. Functions of vitamin A, body functions. Vitamin A helps form and maintain healthy skin, teeth, skeletal and soft tissue, mucous membranes and skin. Vision. Vitamin A promotes good vision, especially in low light. Immune system. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy immune function and deficiency can lead to an impaired response to infection. Food sources of carotenoids such as beta carotene. Mechanism of vitamin A. In intestinal mucosal membrane cell, carotene is converted into retinol. Retinol from carotene esterifies to palmitic acid. Palmitic acid is converted to retinyl palmitate. Retinyl palmitate moves through lymphatic system to liver where it is stored. When required, retinyl palmitate is hydrolyzed to retinol. Zinc and protein is required for the conversion. Retinol travels via bloodstream. Retinol binds to the retinol binding protein, that is RBP. For rods and cones, different protein is bound to retinol. Rods are responsible for vision in dim light. In rod cells, the aldehyde form of vitamin A, that is retinal, and protein aspin combines to create a rhodopsin, which is the photosensitive pigment. When light hits rod cells, the pigment isomerizes, which leads to nerve impulse and results in visual signal. This is the effect of eyesight, where vitamin A is having main role. Coming to next, vitamin D. Vitamin D is a fat soluble vitamin that is naturally present in a very few foods, added to others and available as dietary supplement. It is also produced endogenously when ultraviolet rays from sunlight strike the skin and trigger vitamin D synthesis. It is also known as sunshine vitamin, as the source is sunlight. Characteristics of vitamin D. Vitamin D is preventing the and treating rickets or disease that is caused by not having enough vitamin D. Vitamin D is also used for treating weak bones, osteoporosis, bone pain, osteomalacia, bone loss in people with a condition called hyperparathyroidism, and an inherited disease, osteogenesis imperfecta, in which the bones are especially brittle and easily broken, preventing low calcium and bone loss, renal osteodystrophy in people with kidney failure. Functions of vitamin D: immune system, which helps you to fight infection; muscle function; cardiovascular function for a healthy heart and circulation; respiratory system for healthy lungs and airways; brain development; anti-cancer effects. Mechanism of vitamin D. Vitamin D is carried in the bloodstream to the liver, where it is converted into the prohormone calcidiol. The circulating calcidiol may then be converted into calcitriol, the biologically active form of vitamin D in the kidneys, following the final converting step in the kidney. Calcitriol is released into the circulation by binding to vitamin D binding protein. A carrier protein in the plasma, calcitriol, is transported to various target organs. In addition to the kidneys, calcitriol is also synthesized by monocyte macrophages in the immune system. When synthesized by monocyte macrophages, calcitriol acts locally as cytokine, defending the body against microbial invaders by stimulating the innate immune system. Mechanism of action of vitamin D. Whether it is made up of the skin or ingested, whole calciferol is hydroxylated in the liver at position 25 to form 25 hydroxycholecalciferol. This reaction is catalyzed by chromosomal enzyme vitamin D25 hydroxylase, which is produced by hepatocytes. Once made, the product is released into the plasma, where it is bound to an alpha globulin, vitamin D, ported to the proximal tubules of the kidneys, where it is hydroxylated at the 1 alpha position to form calcitriol. That is nothing but 125 dihydroxycholecalciferol, and abbreviated to 125 in bracket OH taken twice D. This product is potent in ligand of the vitamin D receptor, which mediates most of the physiological actions of vitamin. The conversion of calcidiol to calcitriol is catalyzed by the enzyme 25-hydroxyvitamin D3 1 alpha hydroxylase, the levels of which are increased by parathyroid hormone and additionally by low calcium. Next, vitamin E. Vitamin E refers to a group of compounds that include both tocopherols and tocotrienols. The group that most stands out is that of the tocopherols, that has 4 members: alpha tocopherol, beta tocopherol, gamma tocopherol. Sources of vitamin E: vegetable oils, corn, soybean, safflower, and cottonseed, and products made from them such as margarine. Wheat germ, nuts, and green leafy vegetables are also good sources of vitamin E. Characteristics: vitamin E considered the heart vitamin, since it is necessary to have vitamin E needs covered for a healthy heart. As a fat soluble antioxidant, it stops the production of reactive oxygen species formed when fat undergoes oxidation. Functions of vitamin E: antioxidant, prevention of hemolytic anemia among premature infants, enhances immune system, retards spoilage of commercial foods. Vitamin E also has an effect on gene expression also. Mechanism of vitamin E. Free radicals such as superoxide, hydroxyl ions, and nitric oxide all contain an unpaired electron. These radicals can have a negative effect on cells, causing oxidative damage that leads to cell death. Antioxidants such as vitamin E prevent cell damage by binding to the free radical and neutralizing its electron. For example, when vitamin E binds to the intermediate structure that is converted to tocopherol quinone. Next, vitamin K made up of several compounds essential to blood clotting. It contains vitamin K1 that is phylloquinone, vitamin K2 menaquinone, synthetic vitamin K menadione. Vitamin K is destroyed by light and alkalis. Sources of vitamin K: green leafy vegetables such as broccoli, cabbage, spinach, and kale. Dairy products: cow's milk, eggs, meat, fruits, and cereals. Bacteria in small intestine synthesizes some vitamin K but must be supplemented by dietary sources. It is measured in micrograms. Functions of vitamin K: formation of prothrombin for clotting of blood. Candidates likely to receive vitamin K: newborns immediately after birth, clients who suffer from palsy, fat absorption after extensive antibiotic therapy, antidote for an overdose of anticoagulant, or treatment of hemorrhage. Water soluble vitamins. It includes vitamin B complex as well as C, which are dissolved in, in water, easily destroyed by air, light, as well as cooking, cannot be stored, and is readily extracted from the body. Vitamin C, chemically known as ascorbic acid, has antioxidant properties and protects food from oxidation. Role in formation of collagen and absorption of non-heme iron. It prevents scurvy. May be involved with the formation of functioning of norepinephrine, some amino acids, folate, leukocytes, the immune system. Functions of vitamin C. Vitamin C is required for the synthesis of collagen, the intercellular cement substance which gives structure to muscle, vascular tissue, bones, tendons, and ligaments. Vitamin C contributes to the healthy teeth and gums, preventing hemorrhaging and bleeding. Vitamin C is also needed for metabolism of bile acids, which may have implications for blood cholesterol levels and gallstones. Vitamin C plays an important role in the synthesis of several important peptide hormones, neurotransmitters, and carnitine. Anti-allergic. Mechanism of action of vitamin C. In humans, an exogenous source of ascorbic acid is required for collagen formation and tissue repair by acting as a cofactor in the post-translational formation of a 4-hydroxyproline in XAA proglycerin sequence in collagens and other proteins. Ascorbic acid is reversibly oxidized to dehydroascorbic acid in the body. These two forms of vitamin are believed to be important in oxidation reduction reactions. The vitamin is involved in tyrosine metabolism, conversion of folic acid to folinic acid, carbohydrate metabolism, synthesis of lipids and proteins, iron metabolism, resistance to infections. Vitamin B1, known as thiamine, named as the thiovitamin, sulfur containing vitamin, is a water soluble vitamin of B complex. Sources includes unrefined and enriched cereals, yeast, wheat germ, lean pork, organ meats, and legumes. Characteristics: it is unstable when exposed to ultraviolet light and gamma irradiation. Thiamine reacts strongly in Maillard type reactions. Thiamine is a colorless organosulfur compound soluble in water, methanol, and glycerol, and practically insoluble in less polar organic solvents. Functions of vitamin B1: the production of energy from food, the synthesis of nucleic acids, example DNA, the conduction of nerve impulses, the normal function of heart, normal carbohydrate and energy yielding metabolism, the normal function of the nervous system, normal psychological functions. Vitamin B2, also known as riboflavin, additive E101, is one of the 8 B vitamins that are essential for human health. It is crucial for breaking down food components, absorbing the nutrients, and maintaining tissues necessary for the metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins, as well as fats. Sources includes milk, meats, poultry, fish, enriched breads, cereals, broccoli, spinach, and asparagus. Functions of vitamin B2. Along with vitamin A, maintaining the mucous membranes in the digestive system, healthy eyes, nerves, muscles, and skin. The maintenance of normal red blood cells convert food carbohydrate into glucose, which is used to produce energy. Convert vitamin B6 and vitamin B9 into active forms. The reduction of tiredness and fatigue. Vitamin B6, known as in three forms, it will be available: pyridoxine, pyridoxal, and pyridoxamine. Essential for protein metabolism and absorption, and aids in the release of glucose from glycogen. Serves as a catalyst in the conversion of tryptophan to niacin. Helps synthesize neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine. Functions of vitamin B6: make neurotransmitters which carry signals from one our cell to another, produce hormones, red blood cells, and cells of the immune system. Control along with vitamin B12 and vitamin B9. Blood levels of homocysteine, an amino acid that may be associated with heart diseases, normal protein and glycogen metabolism. Characteristics of vitamin B7, also known as biotin. Vitamin H or vitamin 8 B81 is a soluble member of the B vitamin group. Coenzyme is synthesis of fatty acid and amino acids. Biotin can only be synthesized by bacteria, molds, yeast, algae, and by certain plant species. Sources include liver, egg yolk, soy flour, cereals, and yeast. Functions: activates protein as or amino acid metabolism in the hair roots and fingernail cells. The maintenance of normal skin and mucous membranes. Vitamin H supplement may help to reduce muscle pain, produce fatty acids and amino acids, the building blocks of protein. Characteristics of vitamin B12. Vitamin B12, also called cobalamin, is a water soluble vitamin with a key role in the normal functioning of the brain and nervous system and for the formation of blood. The body can store vitamin B12 for years in the liver, involved in the folate metabolism, maintenance of the myelin sheath, and healthy red blood cells. To be absorbed, must bind with the intrinsic factor in stomach. Functions of vitamin B12. It is used for building proteins in the body, formation of red blood cells. Vitamin B12 is essential for the preservation of the myelin sheath around neurons and for the synthesis of neurotransmitters. It helps in the maintenance of the central nervous system. Mechanism of vitamin B12. Coenzyme B12's react to C-CO bond participates in three main types of enzyme catalyzed reactions: isomerases, rearrangements in which a hydrogen atom is directly transferred between two adjacent atoms with a concomitant exchange of a second substituent X, which may be a carbon atom with a substituents an oxygen atom of an alcohol or an amine. These are the ADO-B12 adenosylcobalamin form of vitamin. Methyl transferases, that is methyl group transfers between two molecules. These use MEB12 methylcobalamin from the vitamin. Dehalogenase reactions in which a halogen form atom is removed from the organism molecule. So this is the brief information regarding vitamins, which are the vital amines required for various metabolic functions. Thank you for your patience listening.